Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be showing you just a basic preview of Windows 7. This is the main desktop. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart it. Right now I'm using Microsoft Virtual PC 2007. Basically what that is it allows you to run multiple operating systems on one computer at once. It runs it inside of a Windows screen, so it makes it a lot easier to use. Um, right now it's running at 1 gigabyte of RAM with 1.6 gigahertz of whatchamacallit, processing. You can set that with Microsoft Virtual PC. It's pretty awesome. Alright, this is Windows 7 starting. It's a lot slower than usual because it's running two operating systems at once, but it's a lot faster if you use a dedicated PC for it. Wait for it to start up here. Basically what I've seen so far with Windows 7, it's so far a great system. I love it. It looks great. It's got great ideas. It's a lot less system processing. It uses a lot less RAM and a lot less CPU, as you can see over here. Right now I'm running dual core on my original PC, the host PC, and I'm running 3 gigabytes of RAM currently. And I'm only using 62% of that RAM for both systems and other background stuff I'm running at the moment, such as VirusScan, AIM, Camtasia, which is recording this, my Windows sidebar, all that. Alright, now it's starting up. Welcome screen, blah blah blah. Now I've only got a chance to mildly play with this, but the back coding seems all brand new. Everything's redone. Why does this keep coming up? All the coding's been like completely refinished. It's a lot better. It's kind of like Vista, if you want to say, but it's not. It's a lot different in ways that most people would not recommendly see it. It's still got the basic, you want to make a program, it's still in there. Net framework it, blah blah blah. Alright, X this out. Alright, this is Windows 7's startup. You got the new toolbar here, which I think is amazing. I love the look of it. It's thick, it's bold, and it's out there, and it's telling you, hey, well, I'm boss. Next you have the Gadgets tool. If you right click on the desktop, you have Personalized Gadgets Screen Resolution. You can go into Gadgets, and basically what you can do here is you can drag out the gadgets, like the Windows sidebar over here. It's over here. It's basically this, but it's not in a bar anymore. You can drag it anywhere on your desktop you want it to be. Now it's loading all the ones I previously had on there. Now as you can see over here too, because of the settings of Windows Virtual PC, it's showing you that it only has 28% of RAM being used. That's its max about. 100% CPU it's definitely using. Here you can add as much gadgets as you want. There's a lot more. I believe it's down here. No. Yeah, here it is. Page 2. You can download them offline. It's basically like AIM when you want to get AIM programs for it. It's pretty cool. I find it useful. I usually check out the news off of it, check how stocks are, blah blah blah. Now here's the new start bar. It's basically the same as Vista, but it's got a new look to it. It's generally the same, but it's I don't know, it's different. Like if you were to go to here, it eliminates the right side. If you go to programs, it's basically the same way as Vista. You can search for it, create accessories, folders, blah blah blah. Then you have sticky notes. I love this thing. You can leave little notes on your desktop. It's not very useful to some people, but I completely love the idea because it's like, yeah, just totally add it in there. Create another one. No, I don't want that one anymore. Just drag this over here. delete that one, and there we go. We get ourselves a sticky note for later on, for trying to remember something. Anyways, most of the back end stuff, we'll look at the hard drives here. Let it load. As I said before, you can set the amount of space it uses on your computer. They changed it a little bit. It they got rid of a lot of unnecessary folders. They reorganized it a lot more now. It's a little bit different, but it's a lot more security. Like, you can't add a folder without the name of access, but it's not annoying like Vista. The Windows files, we'll look at those here. It's not totally redone, but it's a lot safer. Some folders are locked, so you can't edit them at all. A lot of the programs have been rewritten. The Explorer has been rewritten. It's a lot different. A lot of the System 32s have been redone. As such in here. This has all been organized over again. And that's generally just the write-up of how it's organized out. Now, the Internet Explorer is still the beta. Not the beta. The Internet Explorer 8, I'm sorry. Here, it's down here. You can just click on it easily. Loads right up. It's generally the same thing. Nothing really different. Yeah. We'll X that out here. If it ever wants to X out. Yeah, man. I hate this stupid thing. There we go. Alright, down here, it's all new, it's new type of, navigation bar, explorer bar, whatever you want to call it. It's, more, like, Web 2.0 kind of, sort of, but I wouldn't say that, but it's a lot nicer looking. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, new games. Solitaire has been redone for the first time. It's all brand new looking. I don't have my graphics processor installed on this. It would just take up way too much time. That, and it's totally useless with it. Math input panel. What is this? I haven't looked at this before. Let's see. Write math here. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Insert. I don't know how it works. Oh, let's see if it works. We'll make that a 3. I don't know, I'll mess around with that some other time. It looks pretty cool. Let's see. Personalizations. Totally different background area again. Same thing what they did with the XP, Vista, all of that. I usually stick with the general basic stuffs, but cool wallpapers though. It's a lot more organized. You can change everything a lot more easier. Like you can create your own themes a lot easier. Bunch of stuff like that. And yeah, that's about it. And let's shut it down here. Now this is only the beta, and I haven't really installed much. There's a lot of add-ons that you can get with it, a lot of security updates that I have to get, but that's just the general starting of it. That's the basic version without anything on it. I'll eventually get more stuff, and I'll redo the video, and yeah, we'll see how that goes.